This is a tall diamond corner caddy. We're going to hang it in the corner. This is a little corner bracket. See the little bevel on the end? It'll catch on the back side of this top shelf. So we'll mark our holes, and I already have one drilled, mount our bracket, and then we'll set the caddy up on top with a little adhesive silicone behind it. Tape the caddy up until that silicone cures, then we'll color match around it, and the caddy will be installed. Okay, bracket's installed, so we have silicone on the back of the caddy, and we're just going to rest the caddy on the bracket and gently slip it into the corner and let it rest in place. Shouldn't go anywhere, but taping it in place is a good little safety precaution. So we'll go ahead and tape it right on into place here.